Okay, today we will see the process called pyrolysis, in which we take this waste plastic, otherwise we throw it in garbage, and we convert this plastic into petrol like this, which we can use in to run our vehicles. And from this to this, there are different steps, and the equipment we use is called pyrolysis equipment. That equipment we will see now, and also the process how it is going to be completed. Now the plastic which we have taken is shred into or cut into pieces into this size. Then this plastic waste is taken into this reactor. This is called reactor, and the reactor is placed in a heating mantle. This is called heating mantle, which heats the plastic waste up to 350 degrees. Then plastic melts and the vapor rises. This is called the reflux condenser. The vapors, they rise, then they enter the condenser. In condenser, what happens? You can see there are two tubes. One is narrower tube inside the bigger tube, glass tube. Inside that narrower tube, the vapors will enter, and the outer jacket or outer tube, cool water will enter from this side and goes, and it takes all the heat, and the vapors will be condensed, that is, they become liquid, and the hot water again recirculates into the reservoir. This is called water reservoir, cold water reservoir. Again the water is cooled here, again the cool water again starts recirculating from this. So in this way the vapors will be converted into pure oil, and oil is collected in this collecting tank, this glass vessel. And whatever uncondensed vapors which we cannot convert into liquid, they go through this pipe, and the water inside this cup will dissolve those vapors, and they are harmlessly converted into liquid, so that environmental pollution is avoided. So in the next video we will see how the process is completed. There is also a thermometer. The thermometer shows the temperature of the process here. Now the shredded plastic is filled into this reactor slowly, because the reactor mouth is very narrower, so we need to fill it very carefully. So this is shredded plastic. Now our pyrolysis process has started. Now the reactor is on, heating mantle is on. There is a ceramic wool to prevent heat loss from the reactor. Initially there is a non-condensable gas. Now you can see the white dense fume. Though there is water flowing in the condenser, still this gas will not condense, and it fills in this collecting vessel and goes into this water scrubber. So after this step, we can see the oil, the liquid oil, getting collected into the collecting vessel. Now the temperature started rising. It is 70 degrees Celsius now. When we started, it was 30 degrees around. Now the gas is slowly condensing. There is oil started to condense. The temperature reached 80 degrees. Now we can see the oil coming out very fast. Now the temperature is about 150 degrees Celsius. Now we are getting more and more oil plus some more non-condensable gases. Now the temperature started falling. It reached up to 170 degrees Celsius. Now it is 130 degrees. That means the process is slowly getting completed, and oil also started decreasing. Now so far we are able to collect around 400 ml of oil. The material we taken, it was around 450 grams of plastic material. For that we are able to receive some 400 ml of oil. Now our process is completed. Now the temperature has came down to 50 degrees Celsius. Now oil also stopped coming out. Now what we do, we have collected around 400 ml of oil. So this oil may contain some solid particulate matter. So what we do, we take this oil and we filter here using a filter paper in a funnel, and the filtered oil is collected in this bottle. We started the filtration process. See, the oil is already clean. So we are collecting the filtered oil here. Finally, this is our collected oil, which is around 400 ml for 450 grams of feed material.